everybody. We're now going to go for a ride in our 1966 Chevy Corvette. Best thing about this car is it is a hardtop edition. Also 5-speed manual. Red on red, 327 small block. Doesn't really get better than that. Although I do recommend changing the rims. I wouldn't recommend changing anything else but that. Got the aftermarket radio. Got your original gauges all working. You got good brakes. You got a good wooden wheel. And you also got the 2-inch cowl induction hood, which I haven't really seen much on these cars before. And as we're going up the road now, pretty mean little car. Not as loud as you'd think, but I mean, it's really rare to see a hardtop Corvette, especially in this year. The only thing I wish it was a T-top edition, but you know, it's still good for what it is. But anyway, we're gonna get her turned around, put her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.